More dancing.
Are you headbanging?
More dancing.
Yay! Good dancing. Good dancing, buddy.
Danny says, be nice. Danny says, more.
That's Danny's eye. Good job.
More dancing.
There you go. More dancing.
You want to hug your brother? Hug him. Aww. Aww. Kisses? Does your brother kiss? No. Hug, Matt. Kiss. Kiss your brother. I did that.
And poke him in the head. Good dancing, dancing, dancing. So if you're happy, you know it, dance a dance. If you're happy and you know it, do a dance. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, do a dance.
Don't bite him.
Or bite your brother.